Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Review Mastery, the channel where we explore the world's best products, emerging innovations, and smart buying decisions that help you live better, smarter, and more comfortably. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our future reviews, comparisons, and buyer guides. Today's topic is something that is rapidly transforming the way people live across the USA and international markets, especially as housing prices rise and people search for flexible, affordable, and sustainable living solutions. We're talking about prefab homes, modern prefabricated living spaces that can be installed quickly, customized easily, and adapted to different lifestyles, climates, and budgets. Whether you're a homeowner looking to expand your living space, a remote worker building a backyard office, an investor exploring short-term rentals, or someone dreaming of minimalist living, this video is designed specifically for you. Our title today is Prefab Home. Your dream is here, because these homes represent freedom, mobility, creativity, and smart living. And before we dive into the details, if you'd like to explore the exact prefab home models we're discussing today, simply scroll down and check the product links in the description box, where you'll find full specifications, pricing updates, and additional images to help you make an informed decision. Deep explanation of prefab homes and market trend. Prefab homes, short for prefabricated homes, are structures that are manufactured in controlled factory environments and then transported to the final location for assembly. This process allows for better quality control, reduced material waste, faster construction timelines, and often lower overall costs compared to traditional on-site construction. In many cases, a prefab unit can be assembled within days instead of months, which reduces labor expenses and minimizes disruption to your property or neighborhood. Around the world, prefab housing is becoming increasingly popular in urban areas where space is limited, in rural areas where traditional construction is expensive, and in disaster-prone regions where fast housing deployment is essential. Many governments and developers are also supporting prefab construction due to its sustainability benefits, energy efficiency, and lower carbon footprint. Modern prefab homes are no longer simple box structures. They now feature stylish architecture, strong insulation, smart layouts, eco-friendly materials, and compatibility with solar systems, smart home technology, and off-grid solutions. This makes prefab living attractive not only for budget-conscious buyers, but also for environmentally responsible homeowners and digital nomads who value flexibility and mobility. Let's begin with our first featured product, the Aolubore Modern Luxury Modular Apartment, a prefabricated container-style home designed specifically for compact spaces while maintaining comfort, functionality, and visual appeal. This model is ideal for a wide range of applications including tiny home living, guest accommodation, backyard studio setups, rental properties such as Airbnb units, remote work offices, and even temporary housing solutions. Its modern exterior design creates a premium look that blends well with both urban and suburban environments, while the interior layout is optimized to maximize usable living space without feeling cramped. The modular design allows buyers to customize internal layouts, window placements, insulation types, and finishing options depending on climate, personal taste, and usage purpose. One of the biggest advantages of this model is its relatively fast installation process, which reduces construction delays and unexpected costs. Compared to traditional building methods that require multiple contractors, permits, and long timelines, this prefab solution offers simplicity, predictability, and efficiency. From a practical standpoint, the Aolubore modular apartment delivers excellent durability thanks to its container-based structure, which provides strong resistance to weather, transportation stress, and long-term wear. It can be placed on prepared foundations, concrete pads, or modular base systems depending on local regulations and land conditions. Many buyers use this type of prefab unit as a rental income source because of its modern appearance, compact footprint, and quick deployment potential. Investors can generate faster returns since the unit can be installed quickly and rented sooner than traditional buildings. Homeowners also appreciate the flexibility of adding this unit as a guest suite, home office, or private studio without major renovations. Additionally, prefab construction reduces material waste and improves energy efficiency, making it an environmentally responsible choice. With proper insulation and optional solar integration, operating costs can remain low year-round. If you value clean design, smart investment potential, fast setup, and adaptable usage, this modular apartment is a strong candidate. You can explore detailed specifications, updated pricing, and additional photos using the product link provided in the description box below. Now let's shift our focus to something more creative, visually striking and lifestyle-oriented, the Tikico Backyard Prefab Dome House, a weatherproof geodesic dome designed for outdoor living, relaxation spaces, creative studios, and flexible tiny structures. The dome shape is not only beautiful but also structurally efficient, distributing stress evenly across the frame, making it strong and stable in various weather conditions. Its transparent or semi-transparent panels allow abundant natural light, creating a bright, open, and uplifting interior environment that feels connected to nature. This type of structure appeals to homeowners who want a unique backyard retreat, a meditation room, a garden lounge, a greenhouse-style workspace, or even a personal creative studio. The dome design promotes airflow and temperature balance, making it comfortable during different seasons when properly ventilated and insulated. Because the Tikico Dome House is prefabricated, installation is significantly faster and simpler than building a traditional extension or sunroom. Many setups can be completed within a short time frame depending on site preparation and local requirements. The weatherproof materials protect against rain, wind, and moderate snow conditions, making it suitable for year-round usage in many regions. Users often customize the interior with furniture, lighting, heating solutions, and decorative elements to create personalized environments such as reading lounges, yoga studios, art workshops, or remote work pods. This flexibility allows the dome to evolve with changing lifestyle needs over time. Whether you're looking to enhance your backyard aesthetics, create additional functional space, or simply enjoy a peaceful escape close to home, this dome house offers a refreshing alternative to conventional structures. You can review full product details and current pricing by checking the link in the description box. When comparing both prefab options, the Aolubore modular apartment focuses more on structured living, privacy, and long-term usability as a residential or rental unit, while the Tikico Dome House emphasizes creativity, outdoor integration, and experiential lifestyle spaces. Choosing between them depends on your goals, available land, local zoning regulations, climate conditions, and budget. It is always recommended to verify building permits, foundation requirements, utility connections, and transportation logistics before making a purchase. Some regions may classify prefab units differently depending on size and usage, so consulting local authorities or contractors can prevent future complications. Additionally, planning for electrical connections, plumbing options, heating systems, and internet access ensures smooth daily operation after installation. Taking time to prepare the site properly can significantly enhance the lifespan and performance of your prefab investment. Prefab housing continues to grow globally due to increasing urban density, rising construction costs, and the demand for faster, more sustainable building solutions. Innovations in materials, insulation, modular engineering, and smart home integration are making prefab homes more attractive each year. Many homeowners are now using prefab units as part of multi-generational living setups, home-based businesses, or eco-friendly retreats. As cities evolve and housing needs become more flexible, prefab living is expected to become even more mainstream. Investing in a well-designed prefab unit today may not only provide immediate lifestyle benefits, but also long-term property value appreciation and rental income opportunities. In summary, prefab homes offer an exciting pathway to modern living, financial flexibility, creative freedom, and sustainable lifestyle design. Whether you prefer the sleek functionality of the Aolubore modern luxury modular apartment or the unique lifestyle experience of the Tikico backyard prefab dome house. Both options demonstrate how innovative housing can adapt to today's changing needs. If you're interested in exploring either of these models further, make sure you check the product links in the description box below for full specifications, current pricing, and additional visuals. That's all from today's reviews. I hope this video helped you understand which option fits your needs best. To make things easier for you, I've added all the product links in the description box below, so you can check the latest price, detailed specifications, and grab the best deals available right now. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with friends who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more honest product reviews. And if you have any questions, experiences, or suggestions, feel free to drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.